Do right, son. Alright, I'm back in the garage working on the twin turbo ride. Gonna be my first video on this thing. Let me show you what I got going on. Alright guys, what I want to do is give you a short recap from the last video I did, which basically just went over the car really quick. I've actually got some turbos in here now so you can get a better idea of what I was talking about as far as the tubing coming off the back of the turbo and going down under the K-member, and then you can actually see how the induction side kind of ties in where the two halves kind of go down and meet right in here. Flip sides, you can kind of see this side. I'll probably change it up slightly. This tubing here will probably go more straight down just to gain me a little bit more tire clearance. But other than that, basically what you see is what you get. Dual forward facing turbos, crossover on the induction, and then the exhaust just comes right out of the back of the turbo. You can kind of see it comes out down here to the K-member. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking some of this stuff apart. I want to go in and fill a lot of these holes on the firewall and over here. I've already worked on it a little bit here. But I'm going to disassemble most of it and kind of fill some of these holes and put these panels back in. So I've got the engine bay all cleaned up, got a lot of the stuff removed. I'm going to go in here and try to fill up some of these holes. I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. You can actually take a copper paddle. I think you can get these at your local welding supply. Take you a copper paddle and you just put it on the back side of this hole like that. And when you weld it, it won't stick to the copper. You can actually pop it loose. And so it kind of gives you a backing plate and you just fill that hole. Let me show you how I do it. welding, a little grinding, no more holes. I'll probably coat this with something to keep it from rusting. I'll finish up the rest of the engine bay. We'll work on some sheet metal and we'll get this thing back together. Be sure to subscribe to catch future videos as this car goes together, and check us out on the Fab Forums.